In this video, what we're going to do is we're going to add in a Polypad component inside Activity Builder. If you're not familiar with Polypad, it is every digital math manipulative you can ever possibly want. It's one of our more popular things, and I'm going to show you how to add it into Activity Builder. So let's do it. Let's come over here to the left. Let's go to My Stuff. Let's click on Custom Activities, and I'm going to hit Create New Activity at the top right. Again, I need to name it. I'm going to call it Polypad. I'm not going to put a description. You can if you want to, and then I'm going to leave it with default styling. Again, I could use one of the, if I was teaching elementary, I could use one of the lower grades. I'm going to hit create new activity. And when I'm in here, I'm into a blank screen. And notice again, we've got all our different components over here at the left. One of them down here at the bottom is called Polypad. I'm going to drag it over. And now Polypad, I can pull out whatever manipulatives I want for kids to use. Now, I like to have them preset for students, depending on what I want to do. And you know what, today, let's do some fun with probability. So I'm going to drag out some dice for students. And I'm going to put a bunch of them out here. So let's get, I don't know, there are 4 right there. That's great. I love it. Let's organize them just a little bit better here. And then when I'm ready, let's get a few more. Beautiful. Let's copy these. Let's make another row. Let's get even more here. And of course, you don't have to do dice. Maybe you're doing algebra and you want algebra tiles or function machines. Maybe you want to pull out a function machine for students. You can pull that out. Whatever kind of manipulative you want, ready for students. And then you can set the size, and there are all sorts of other things. But notice here, I've got these out, and what that's going to allow students to do is actually roll dice at once and actually tabulate the results as they go. And so I'm going to have this preset. When I'm ready, I hit that preview button, and I can see exactly what it's going to look like for students. So when they come in, they're going to have all the different dice that they can pull and play with as they go. And so depending on what you want to do, let's delete this out. Let's just pull out one other thing to show you. As we're going, maybe I want students to compare fractions to start this lesson. So let's drag out a 1/4 fraction bar and a 1/6 and maybe a 1/8 here. And there we go. I've got the manipulatives out I want students to use. I hit the preview and I can show students exactly what they're going to see on the screen when they come in and when they start. So again, explore all the different manipulatives. There's so many different things you can, but if you're looking for manipulatives, you want to add it into an activity, Polypad is a great way to do it. Again, when you add a screen here, Polypad is right down here on the left. And of course, when you're finished, hit that publish button and you've got a kind of a playground ready for students to play with when they come to class.